Today we discuss about that cells. Cells has two electrodes. Okay, cells has two electrodes. Two electrodes. One is positives and another is negatives. And these two electrodes are immersed in electrolytic solutions. Okay, these two electrodes are immersed in a electrolytic solutions. Suppose this is electrolytic solutions, and here is the positive electrodes and here negative electrode. Positive electrode denoted as P and negative electrode denoted as N. Okay, and this is the connections between the positive electrode and negative electrodes. Here the positive electrodes develop a potentials, that is positive potentials, and in negative electrodes develop a potential, that is the negative potentials. Okay, and the current flow, okay, the current flow out from outsides, the current flow at outsides from positive to negative. Okay, from positive, from positive to negative. Okay, and inside the current flow from negative to positives. Okay, from negative to positives. Okay, and the symbol of cell, this is the symbol of the cells. Here is the negative electrodes and the larger one is positive electrodes. One thing must be remembered, that cells has constant EMF, but no constant current, Okay, so this is about your cells. Next we move, what is EMF? Next, EMF, this is also known as electromotive force. Okay, this is actually the potential difference, not force. Okay, this is actually called potential difference, not force. So it is the potential difference between the positive and negative electrodes in an open circuits. That means when no current is flowing through the cells. So here current is 0 and also resistance is infinite. Resistance is infinite. Okay, so this is the electromotive force. So this symbol is E, and we know that the positive potential developed by positive electrodes and negative potential developed by negative electrodes. So the total EMF or net EMF equal to, this is the difference between the positive electrodes and negative electrodes. Okay, this is about EMF. Then what is the internal resistance? Okay, next, internal resistance. Okay, the electrolyte through which a current flows has a finite resistance are called the internal resistance. Okay, suppose here is a cell. Suppose here is a cells and EMF of cell is E and internal resistance is R. Okay, This is the discharging cells. Discharging cell. So here's potential difference equal to E minus IR, and this V equal to IR. We write IR instead of V, so IR equal to E minus IR. We find I equal to E by R plus R, and this I or this current is maximum when this external resistance is 0. So I maximum equal to E by R. This is the maximum currents, and if we divided by V both sides, if we divided by V both sides, here V divided by V, and instead of V we can write IR. So here this is 1 equal to E by V minus I cancel, this is R by R, and this R by R equal to E by V minus 1, and R equal to E by V minus 1 into R. So this is your about internal resistance. Here resistance is finite. Okay, resistance is finite, and this is the discharging cells. Okay. Next, grouping of cells. When so grouping of cells also known as battery. Okay, grouping of cells are called battery. When cells are joined in series manner, in series. Okay, suppose this is E1 and this is E2. So here's equivalent EMF equal to E1 plus E2 when similar numbers of cells are joined in series. The equivalent EMF is equal to NE. Okay, if these cells are connected in reverse manners, one is connected in a wrong manner, then these types. Okay, then the equivalent EMF equal to E minus E1 minus E2. Okay, and if the cells are joined in parallel, if the cells are joined in parallel. Okay, so we let in parallel. In parallel, suppose here E1, here E2, and here internal resistance is R1, here R2. Then the equivalent EMF of cells in parallel conditions equal to E1 R2 minus, so if a discharging cells, then plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So this is the equivalent EMF. So we can also write this equivalent EMF equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This 1 by R1 or plus 1 by R2 is yours inverse equivalent resistance. So we can write E equivalent by R equivalent equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2. Okay, and if this series connection, this parallel connection is in a reverse manners, then E equivalent is if this connection is 1 is the connected in wrong manners, then E equivalent equal to E1 R2 minus E2 R1. This is R1 plus R2. Okay, when one is connected in a wrong manners, when one is connected in a wrong manner, in wrong. Okay, so this is your grouping of cells. Thank you.